Hey everyone. So inside this envelope right here is going to be pretty much life changing. Okay, I take that back. Maybe not quite life changing, but it's still going to be pretty significant as far as, like, for me, it's going to be more organized. It's going to make things much easier, more organized for me. So, what am I talking about? Well, let me just give you guys a short story. I was on YouTube last week and I saw this video. You know how this YouTube algorithm goes, it like suggests videos for you that you might like. So the video was, I believe it was like 15 things or 15 gadgets that every guy should have. And one of those cool gadgets that every guy should have was like a key organizer, right? And the one that I saw that they showed on the video was from a company called KeySmart, and I believe they were the original. The thing is, when I clicked on their links to order the product because I liked it so much, and I'll tell you guys why in a bit, the link that it had was the wrong link, or maybe they didn't update it, so they didn't have the proper item. Because I ended up ordering something like this right here. See that? Key Smart Compact Key Holder Stainless Steel Loop Piece. And I'm like, what the hell? First of all, I should have known, stupid me, that something that cheap could not be it. It was like $5.99 for this thing. And the actual Key Smart itself is $22.99, I believe. There's others. The most basic one I think is 22, and then you have your Key Smart Pro, which is like almost $100, and that comes with like a LED light and some other tools and a GPS tracker and things like that. Then they have a Key Smart Rugged that's almost like $40, but it's a little more expensive because it's supposed to be more durable. Anyways, getting back to this now. If you do a search on Amazon for key organizers, you'll see there's a bunch of them. And there's quite a few to choose from the original Key Smart to others. And I ended up picking, let's just open it up now. I ended up getting this thing, this small little box is one of Key Smart's competitors, AmazinGizmo. And common sense would have said I should have ordered the Key Smart because I already have this, but this is actually, I haven't gotten around to calling Amazon yet, so I can return this. One of the reasons why I picked this one over Key Smart, they're based almost around the same price. This is probably like $1 cheaper. Is that it had more options as far as like ways to put your keys, and the fact that based on, like, here I'll show you guys by feature. So quality of material, it beat Key Smart on quality of material, and also on this part right here, durability. And it was one of the only few of these key organizers that had this is set up to a lifetime warranty. And the other thing was that it said that small details make the difference. We use strong ISO M4 bolts instead of commonly used fragile magnesium alloy screws. So it was guaranteed that it won't break or it won't loosen, like some of the other reviews I've read, even on the ones for Key Smart. So yeah, so that's it for that. Let's remove the plastic from the box. Actually, on this part right here, I don't know if that's actual, yeah, it's on the plastic, not on the box, but you can see it says AmazinGizmo key holder made in China. I thought it was a US, okay, it's supposed to be a US design, but it's made in China apparently. And we're gonna go through the whole thing. I'm gonna even we're going to see how easy it is to install. We're going to install it and put my keys on here in the actual video itself. Okay, so one of the main reasons why I was so interested in this is because here are my keys right now, and I get tired of this because, like, number one, when I have a bag or my hands are full and I need to open a door. Right now our door actually has one of those electronic locks now, but like for my other stuff I still need these keys, like for my storage for my room. Yes, I actually have a lock for my room and my bedroom, and sometimes I get my keys mixed up, or sometimes, like, when you put these in your pocket, or in my case my gym bag, the keys kind of like get tangled or get caught on these chains right here. And then I saw how the video on the KeySmart, and this one also has a video on Amazon, how it made things so much more simpler and, like I said, more organized. That's why they call it a key organizer. So let's just open this up, see what we get. So this is, I believe, the instruction manual, and it says scan here or go to AmazinGizmo.com VIP Lucky. See, lifetime warranty right there. And to me, the warranty is very important because should you have any issues, for at least on this one, for the life of the product, you can get some good help, or you can get a refund, and probably they'll replace it. And that's always a good thing, instead of being left out with like something that's broken and then you're out of whatever money you spent on your item. One side, the other side, I believe, is right there, the installation manual. As you can see, it goes from step 1 all the way to step 10 steps. Okay, and then there's even a QR code right here for messenger support chat scan on this one right here. All right, so we get all these different bolts and screws. And one of the other reasons why I like this is, if you guys who've been watching my channel know, I'm a big fan of carbon fiber, and this is actual carbon fiber, as you can see right here. Yep, that's not CGI, folks. That's carbon fiber. That's actual carbon fiber. So, and this thing has like all these washers, which makes it so nice, and that's probably why it won't loosen up over time. And here you get more accessories. I think you get a carabiner loop or hook inside this bag, and your other washers right there, and then your different size bolts for, so there's already some bolts in here, I guess, but if you want to add more keys, you would get the longer, screws or bolts. Okay, so that's that. All right, it came with the included screwdriver. Really? Huh. Okay, so here are the washers. Is this the screwdriver? This has to be, right? Yeah, this is what they're talking about, is the included screwdriver right there. So I don't know why there's all these spacers here too, and washers. So I am going to see if they have a video online to make things easier than these instructions. So I'll be right back. Okay, so although they don't have videos on their website on how to put this thing together, it's kind of just what I figured. Yeah, because they do have there is one video on YouTube on this, and I'll put that guy's video in the link in the description if you guys want to see his. So, like I said earlier, you could use this flat handheld screwdriver, but since I have this Phillips screwdriver right here, it's probably going to be a little bit quicker. So I'm just going to take this apart. And there's all those extra other spacers that you get. Okay. So this is pretty much how it goes. You're going to start off with the spacer right there. And then your keys. Where are my keys? So I don't have too many keys as I thought I have. Only 6 keys altogether. And then all these cards right here. The key I really need to access the most is my bedroom key. So I'm going to put that first right here, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to put a washer over it. Since we have like an app or electronic lock for the front door, I'm going to put this here next, since I don't really need it as much. And put another spacer. Storage key. And the spacer right there. Maybe my gym pass, because I use that more than the others. I don't think I need it because it's going to be here. Wait, there's a black spacer already right there for that. Okay. Okay, so they said not to tighten it up too much at first until you get all your keys in. Okay, as you guys can see, it's not tightened up quite yet. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side, but now I'm going to put in the rest of my cards. Okay, so here we are fully assembled, and I apologize if I didn't take you guys through the whole step-by-step process. If you guys want to see how that one kind of looks like, I'll put a link in the description for the other video that I saw on this AmazinGizmo key organizer. But basically, it's just the red washers go on the like inside out portion, and then you put the black hard plastic washers in between the keys, and in my case in between my cards. The you also have these soft like rubber washers, like right here. Whoops. So these soft rubber washers, they go on the outside right here. And as you can see, it came with this little like chain, and that's where I put my carabiner. That's what they call it. So for my car key, I can just put it here like so. And you can also put this belt or like little clip. I decided not to put it on, as you can see, because I didn't want to cover up the carbon fiber, and I just didn't feel like I would need this. And so here are the keys, all my keys, 6 keys that I have, and you can see I can still pull them out. Not a one-handed use, but I could still pull it out and then bring it back inside. You don't want to make this way too tight, because then you will have a hard time getting your keys out. And then the other thing is, if you put it too tight, you might damage the screws or the carbon fiber plates right here. So you just want it firm but not too tight. And so that is it. I ended up, because at first the default bolts or screws that it came with were not long enough, so I had to play around to see which one that would fit it exactly, while they don't stick out too much right here from the outside. So I ended up using the third longest bolt or screw. So you have these ones that are the longest, and then these are the second longest or something like that. I ended up using the third longest bolt or screw on this key organizer. So that's how it looks. And I can still pull out my cards, if I need to get them scanned and things like that. So that is it. Man, my throat is dry. Gotta get some water. That's not COVID. Anyways, that is our look at this AmazinGizmo key organizer. It comes with all this that you see here, plus that you don't really need most of it. So the rest I'm just gonna put back inside this box, and if I get more keys or whatever, I can use the longer screws for that. So yeah, that is that. I will put a link for the other installation video in the description if you guys are interested in checking that one out, if mine did not help you out as much. But yeah, just remember the red washers inside out, and then the black hard plastic spacers or washers in between the keys, and the soft rubber washers are for the outside, these soft rubber washers. So that is it. If you guys have been informed or entertained, and you got some value out of this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. See you guys all next time.